What is going on, guys? It's your boy Tempo Trades. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made $14,000 today in the stock market, only working about 10 minutes. So we're going to get straight into the video. And this was what the market looked like when I woke up today. Now, just some context. I set my alarm at 8:26 a.m. Obviously, the New York window starts at 9:30 a.m., so about an hour before the market opens, okay? What I like to do is I wake up and I like to check the charts on my phone and just see where price is at, okay? If price is in the middle of nowhere, I know that, okay, I have an hour, I have 30 minutes, I have some time before I really need to get on my computer. But if I open my chart on the phone and I see that price is near a key liquidity level or an area of interest, I'm like, okay, I need to open my computer now because we might actually get a trade pre-market. That's just kind of my routine and my thought process. So what ended up happening was I woke up and at 8:39 a.m. I wrote this message: bias is bullish once we sweep these overnight lows. And again, we had London low, Asia low. These are two major areas of liquidity. And if you don't know what model I trade, here is my complete checklist. So all of these confluences will create the perfect A+ setup, but the most important confluence in this model is number 3, the major sweep of liquidity. And you can see here, I even write London, Asia sweep, right? So London and Asia are right here. So what's going to happen is if price actually comes down and takes either of these levels out, longs become valid because we're expecting a reversal to the upside. Okay, so what ended up happening here, if I drop down to the 30-second time frame, we come down, right? Give me 1 second. We come down in a second. Boom. Okay, so we come down here, boom, we sweep London low. Now longs are valid. As soon as we sweep London low, longs are valid, and I'm expecting that reversal pattern to the upside. Now, what our job is we have to identify a low time frame fair value gap, and then you're basically entering long when that fair value gap gets inverse, which is right here, okay? So what I'm gonna do is just fast forward and, okay, and boom. All right, so now you'd enter on that candle closure. Okay, now, a couple things to note here. Number 1, the liquidity sweep. This liquidity sweep is really, really good. And the candle is telling you that, okay? Now, what you could see here are a bunch of wicks. Price never closed below the level. The candle, the actual candle, the body of the candle, never closed below the level. It simply wicked the level multiple times and failed to close over that. What does this tell me? This tells me that that area of liquidity is being respected. There's a ton of buyers taking those orders, and the chances that we actually reverse in that area are going to be higher. So when I see that these wicks, I'm much more confident in the long, okay? The second thing to point out, this candle right here is a very, very nice candle. It's not chopping, it's not slow. This green candle right here is super strong with a lot of momentum. The size is great. That is once again showing me strength in bullish momentum and bullish order flow. Okay, so with all that being said, I entered long right there. You know, stop loss could be below the gap, or you could find one of these wicks, doesn't really matter. And then you're just targeting the top of the range here, and that's where I TP'd right there. So that's it right there. I went for a fixed 1 to 2 RR, so I was risking about 8 points. So I took about 16, 17 points there, and then I literally trimmed my entire position right there. Now, normally I do hold runners. I like to hold for bigger positions, but because this was pre-market, I specifically didn't hold runners because price, for me in my experience, doesn't deliver as cleanly pre-market. So I usually just trim more aggressively, okay? So you can see my executions right here, where I got in or I got out. It was like 16 or 17 points in profit. And because it was a 1 to 2 R trade, I made double the amount of money that I risked. Okay, so it was about $400 per 50K account times 35 accounts for the total payout that you see right here. So yeah, just very, very clean, very, very easy. I even said right here at 9:07, I told my premium members, I said, I like longs here if you can find a clean setup. And 907 would have been right here. 907 would have been right here. So if you saw the setup, you still had time to take the trade, you know? So that is pretty much my whole day in a nutshell. And again, you don't need 50 points to be successful every day. You don't need 100 points. You can really make thousands of dollars just taking 20, 30 point base hits. You know, if you size correctly and your risk management is good. So that is what I took personally. And again, go back test this yourself, man. Take this checklist, go back test it yourself. I promise you, you're going to see insane results, because if you just take these reversals off of these key levels every single day, they will work. I want to show you one other thing. I was green for the day, so I did not take this. I did not take this because, again, when I'm green for the day, I shut my accounts down. I don't trade anymore. I try to be disciplined. But look at this, right? I got off stream, okay? I got off stream at 11 a.m. and I wrote out another message to my premium group. I said, if you're still looking for a trade, these are the levels I would mark. 500 on NQ and then 177 on ES, okay? Look at this level, 177. What is that level? That's Asia low. That's why I had that level marked there. What ends up happening? Price comes down 20 minutes later from when I sent this message, sweeps Asia low, and reverses right off the level all the way to the upside. So it happened 2 times in a day. And again, I'm not going to take this trade or even look for this trade because my hard rule is whenever I'm green, I'm done. But the setups are magical, man. The setups, the system, it's magical. You know, back test it, do some research, thank me later. But that's the trade I took today to make $14,000 in the stock market, guys. If you enjoyed, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy.